Hello, Internet and the rest of the world. This is Walk Around with Ralph again. Today, we're up in the mountains of New Mexico in the beautiful little town of Tenny. They have a restaurant here called Tenny Silver Dollar. It's a great place to eat, place to stop between Roswell and Ruidoso or wherever else you're going up in the mountains. Ruidoso's had a fire and a little bit of flooding going on, so we're not going to go up there today, but we're going to hit some other interesting places. Tenny has been here for a long, long time. This restaurant has changed owners a time or two, but the quality of the food and the services remain consistent. We'll take a little better look at it here in just a minute. I got Gertrude doing the camera duties again today. She's doing a wonderful job for me. Here we are. I got Sam as my sound engineer. Let's take a look around. Come here, Gertrude. And we're here on the back side of the Tenny Silver Dollar. A view most people don't get to see because they don't come back here. But we did. We have, like I said, we're up in the mountains now, so we have a beautiful, beautiful green grass, which we don't see down in the lower plains very often. It's just a beautiful area up here. They do have a little stream running down the mountain over there. And anyway, here we are. We're going to head on down the road here in just a bit. Come here, Gertrude. We're just taking in a little bit more of the area out here. We're on the back side of Tenny Silver Dollar Restaurant. Just having a good day. It's a beautiful sunny day. We're going to enjoy it, so walk around with us. Okie dokie. We're here at the Tenny, New Mexico post office. We're just going to go out a little bit and get an overview of the building and a little bit of the town. Beautiful sunny day today, and Gertrude doing us a wonderful job. Come here, baby. Okie dokie, we're still here in Tenny, New Mexico. I just had to get a shot of their artwork park here. Looks like we got a metal artist here somewhere. They need to clean it up a little bit, but it's interesting. Don't know any of the history of this artwork. I just know that it's here. I'll let Gertrude follow me through all this. Now there's a building. Looks like it has more artwork inside of it. Once again, it looks halfway abandoned. But if you're into metal art, this is it. Take a little walk through over here. Well, somebody's home. And around the corner here, we have more artwork. And of course, the volunteer fire department. Like I said, I'm a retired firefighter, so we're going to see some fire departments. Probably. Okie dokie, still in Tenny, looking at the metal artwork. Looks like we've made it mainly for fun and enjoyment. They sure made enough of it. Need to make them a little park here. which I guess this is what this is. We just have no signs. I just thought it was kind of unique. I have absolutely no history behind it. But it's here. If you're ever passing through Tenny, just keep your eyes open. And if you can find the post office and the volunteer fire department, you can find the artwork. So I'm going to head on up the mountain, go a little further. We're going to be at Lincoln later and maybe Capitan. Come here, Gertrude, good girl.